Hey, welcome to today's video. In a few minutes we're going to show you how you can use Note2Quote to create detailed professional trades quotes from rough notes in seconds. To get started, just head over to Note2Quote.com and hit try now. That takes you to the free trial where you can get started really easily. There's a few ways you can do things in Note2Quote. You can type in your notes directly, you can paste in some notes maybe that you've taken on your phone, or you can upload photos or use voice. What we'll do is we'll cover voice and photo uploads in another video. For today, what we'll do is just paste in some notes we have here. So this is for a bathroom. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove a couple of costs. So plumbing, electrics and subfloor, we'll get rid of those just so you can see how it works in practice when you haven't got everything fully noted down. So we'll start creating it. It'll be done within a few seconds. Perfect. So we'll scroll up to the top and you can see here it's fleshed everything out. It's written detailed line item descriptions. It's left costs against things where you haven't included costs, so you can update those yourself. You can see here as well it's restructured everything. So our tiling labour, that was at the very bottom of our notes, and it's moved it up here to the rest of the tiling work. It's done the same with plumbing. So you can see here we removed the plumbing labour. So it's included a space for us to include that here, but it's also grouped all of the plumbing fixtures and fittings together, whereas they were quite spread out across the rest of the notes. It's done the same, so we removed subfloor costs. It's just allowed us to pop those in, same for electrics. I'm going to show you a couple of things you can do. So the first is include demolition, because we missed that out. It will regenerate that now, and it's put a demolition line item and description at the top, ready for you to put a cost in. Yeah, perfect. And what we will do as well is we will say update to only include costs at the end. Perfect. So what it's done here is if you don't want to individually line item cost everything, you can still have Note2Quote do all the heavy lifting with the descriptions and the structure, but then you can just include costs at the end. So this is if you prefer working in this way for your estimates, rather than have everything detailed, detailed breakdown by cost. You can do it this way. Yeah, so that's Note2Quote. Really powerful, really simple. You can also ask it to include or exclude anything. You can use this button at the end just to copy. So you can pop that in an email, you can pop it in your invoicing software, you can WhatsApp it to a client. It's a really quick, really simple, and designed to save you hours each week putting together costs and quotes. Cool, I'll see you in the next video where we'll cover the handwriting recognition with the photos and yeah, voice to text.